Hi everyone, my name is Manhattan Carnes, and today I would like to bring attention to some issues that I found with the policy that was provided to us by a professor. For those that don't know what the policy was, a rough rundown of it is how the government was going to be funding schools K through 12 for students to get a BMI test done. And from there, those that were in the top 85th percentile would have a dietitian for them to go and learn about how to be healthier, essentially. And so I found three problems for this policy. And the first one was how they only focused on those who were overweight or obese. And I thought that there was something wrong with this because those that are in the below fifth percentile also had medical conditions and issues that came along with it from being underweight. And so I think that like focusing on both would be better because from my understanding the whole goal of this is to create a healthier lifestyle like in children so that they like can move on and like with a healthier lifestyle essentially and hopefully making it better for them in the future. My second issue that I found was about how like children with other health conditions like those with Down syndrome or that are on the autism spectrum and whatnot because they're automatically like more likely to be overweight or obese because of other genetic issues that they have when they have those problems. And so it just that my big reasoning beside behind this one was because they were probably going to need a more specific dietitian for this for them that like have this like issue. And then the last problem that I found was how race slash ethnicity would play a part because of how different their genetics are and come like all across the board from everyone. So essentially, my final recommendation was to include not only the 85th percentile, but also the below 5th percentile, along with providing an overall health screening on top of the BMI, being able to have a separate section or chart for those that have other health conditions like Down syndrome or are there on the autism spectrum, and finally also adding in besides age and gender is to also have the race and ethnicity because of the genetics. So that's my recommendation. If you could only pick two, I'd pick the fifth percentile and I would pick having an overall health screening. But if you guys have any questions or anything else, please let me know. Thank you.